Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 90th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about autocomplete attribute. We'll start with doctype HTML tag, body tag, h2 tag, autocomplete attribute, and now we'll end h2 tag, form tag, first name, input type equals to text, name equals to fname, br tag, website, input type equals to url, name equals to website, and we'll use break tag, email, input type equals to email, name equals to email, autocomplete equals to off, and we'll use br tag means break tag, input type equals to submit, name equals to submit. Now we'll end form tag, body tag, and HTML tag. Now we'll just save it, and with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 90th program. If we click on here, first name it will show us like website. We have to write here website, and if we click on email here, we have to give us email. So this is the basic output of how to use autocomplete attribute. And if we click on submit, it submits the data. We have to enter here URL. So this is the basic output of autocomplete attribute, and don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding.